Partha's World presents Piranha Solution. The chemicals which are required are as follows: concentrated sulfuric acid and 30% hydrogen peroxide solution. Apparatus required: 2 measuring cylinders of 100 ml, 1 beaker, and 1 glass rod. First, we pour about 30 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid and 10 ml of 30% of hydrogen peroxide in 2 measuring cylinders, respectively. Then, at first, we pour the concentrated acid in the beaker. And after that, we pour hydrogen peroxide solution slowly in the beaker. Precaution taken: we make sure that we pour sulfuric acid to the hydrogen peroxide and not the vice versa. Otherwise, the reaction may go out of control. The reaction mixture becomes very hot as it is highly exothermic reaction. Then we stir the mixture with the glass rod.
Piranha solution is ready for use.
First, we add a piece of paper and see what happens.
Within a few seconds, the paper gets dissolved in the solution.
Once we stir the mixture with a glass rod, the paper gets dissolved completely in the solution, making the solution black due to the carbon content of the paper.
Then we add a piece of cotton ball into the same solution.
The cotton ball also gets dissolved in the solution. And at last we add a piece of cloth into the same solution. The cloth also gets dissolved in the solution. This solution is named as Piranha solution as large quantities of organic matter immersed in the solution are dehydrated so fast that the process resembles a piranha feeding frenzy. Chemistry behind the piranha. Piranha solution or piranha etch, being a mixture of sulfuric acid and hydrogen peroxide, acts as a strong oxidizing agent which decomposes most of the organic matter. It removes hydrogen and oxygen as units of water by the concentrated sulfuric acid in it. The highly reactive atomic oxygen radicals formed in the process makes the piranha solution to dissolve even the elemental carbon. The reaction taking place is as follows. Hope you have enjoyed this demonstration. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. It's free, and do not forget to press the notification bell and comment below about this video.